Locate your two side panels and place two two-piece metal clips on the lip side of the side panel. Then place two of the long section two-piece metal clip on the opposite side of the panel. Place four of the L-shaped two-piece metal clips on the inside of the face frame. Place a bead of glue into the grooves on the face frame. Locate one of the side panels and slide it into the groove on the face frame. Make sure the long section of the two-piece metal clip slides over the L-shaped section of the two-piece metal clip. Complete the same actions for the other side panel as well. Fasten down the metal clips and be sure to tighten down all the screws on the long sections of the two-piece metal clips. Slide the top and bottom panels into the cabinet using the grooves on the side panels. Place the back panel onto the cabinet, making sure it fits properly in place. Fasten it down on both the top and bottom of the cabinet using the predetermined holes. Flip the cabinet upright and finish fastening down all the metal clips on the inside of the cabinet.